Gururam Namaste. Good morning all of you, my dear 4th class students. We will discuss about metric measures in it word problems. From your workbook, page number 33, see here. Estimate the length by rounding up to the nearest centimeter. First one is the length of Ashok's pencil is 6 centimeter 7 millimeter. So 7 millimeter is rounded up to the nearest centimeter. See here, estimate the length by rounding up to the nearest centimeter. See here, solution. In 6 centimeter 7 millimeter, seven is nearer see 7 millimeter is nearer to 1 centimeter. Nearer to 1 centimeter. Nearer to 1 centimeter. See here, so 6 centimeter 7 millimeter is rounded off to, see here, 6 centimeter plus 7 millimeter is nearer to 1 centimeter, because see here 7 is more than 5, so we have to take 1 centimeter. Then you can get 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Now next one is the length of Amos ribbon is 78 centimeter 3 millimeter. 78 centimeter 3 millimeter. Here solution, listen carefully. In 78 centimeter 3 millimeter, 3 millimeter is nearer to 0 centimeter beta, because that is less than 5. So 78 centimeter 3 millimeter is rounded off to 78 centimeter plus 0 centimeter. You can get to 78 centimeter. Write down everybody. Now next one is estimate the distance by rounding off to the nearest kilometer. Nearest kilometer. See, Estimate the distance by rounding up to the nearest kilometer. First one is Anil's school is 5 kilometer 620 meter from his house. From his house. Anil's school is 5 kilometer 620 meter from his house. So here solution, in 5 kilometer 620 meter, is nearer to 1000. Nearer to 1000. So 5 kilometer 620 meter is rounded off to 5 kilometer plus nearer to 1000 meter. 1000 meter means 1 kilometer. See here, 1 kilometer. So you can get 5 plus 1, you can get 6 kilometer. Did you understand, everybody? See here, 620 is nearer to 1000 than 0. So then we have to take 1000. 1000 meters is equals to, you can get 1 kilometer. Then 5 kilometer 620 meter is rounded up to 5 kilometer plus 1 kilometer means 620 is nearer to 1000 meters. So 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. 5 kilometer plus 1 kilometer, you can get 6 kilometer. Next one is Vinil drove his car about 80 kilometer 300 meter. So second one is 80 kilometer 300 meter. See here, 300 meter nearer to 0 kilometer. So this is below 5, less than 5. See here, solution, in 80 kilometer 300 meter, 300 is nearer to 0. Nearer to 0. So 80 kilometer 300 meter is rounded off to, see, 80 kilometer plus 0 kilometer. You can get 80 kilometer. Write down, everybody. Now next, estimate the weight to the nearest kilograms. The watermelon's weight 3 kg 200 grams beta. See here, the watermelon weighs 3 kg 200 grams. 3 kg 200 grams. Solution: in 3 kg 200 grams, 200 is nearer to 0, not 1000. So 3 kg 200 grams is rounded off to 3 kg plus 0 kg. You can get 3 kg. See here, 200 is less than 500. So 2 is less than 5, no? So I have to take 0. Now next one is the wheat flour bag weighs 24 kg 900 grams. 24 kg 900 grams. Listen carefully here. In 24 kg kilogram 900 grams. 900 is nearer to 1000. Nearer to 1000. So 1000 grams make a 1 kg. See here. So 24 kg 900 grams is rounded off to 24 kg plus nearer to 1000 means 1000 grams you can get 1 kg. So you can get 25 kg. Write down everybody. Next, estimate the capacity to the nearest liter. First one is the quantity of milk in the can is 15 liter 400 milliliter. Liter 400 milliliter. Solution: in 15 liter 400 milliliter, 400 is nearer to 0 because 4 is less than 5. So 15 liter 400 milliliter is rounded off to, see here, 15 liter plus 0 liter. So 1000 milliliter is make a 1 liter. So here 400 is nearer to 0 because 4 is less than 5. Now here 15 liter plus 0 liter, that is equals to 15 liters. Now next, the capacity of Coke in the bottle is 2 liter 800 milliliter. 2 liter 800 milliliter. Listen carefully. In 2 liter 800 milliliter, 800 is nearer to 1000 because 80 is greater than 5. So 2 liter 800 milliliter is rounded off to 2 liter plus, see, 800 is nearer to 1000 means 1000 milliliter make a 1 liter. 2 liter plus 1 liter you can get 3 liter. Write down everybody. Now next, page number 34, answer the following questions. See. So first one is, the length of a shirting cloth is 2 meter 60 centimeter. Listen carefully, beta. See here, 2 meter 60 centimeter. See solution. The length of a shirting cloth is 2 meter 60 centimeter. What its length in centimeter? Means meter is converted to centimeter. 2 meter 60 centimeter, that is equals to 2 into meter is converted to centimeter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 2 into 100 centimeter plus remaining how many centimeters? 60 centimeter. So here write down everybody. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. See here, 2 into 100 you can get 200 centimeter plus 60 centimeter. So total 260 centimeter. So then you can write here 260 centimeter. Now next one, the distance between Vinay's school and his house is 3500 meter. Express it in kilometers. This is also very easy. Listen carefully. 3,500 meter. See here, meter is converted into kilometer. We have to take division. See here, 3,500 meters is equals to how many kilometers? Then you can write here 3,500 divided by 1,000. See here, kilometers. See here. So shortcut methods is there. See here. Any number is divided by 1,000. The point move to the left side 3 places. Means you can write here 3.5. 3.500 kilometer. Then we can write here 3.5 kilo, 3.5 after you can write 2 zeros means 3.5 kilometer. So shortcut method is 3,500 means from right to left side first 3 places goes to meters, remaining is goes to kilometers. Then you can write 3.5 kilometer. Did you understand? Write down 3.5 kilometer. Kilometer means 3 kilometers, 500 meter. 500 meter also it can be written as 3.5 kilometer. That is also correct. 3.5 kilometer is also correct. Write down. Next one is, this is very important problem. Convert 56 millimeter into meters. Solution. So the given measurement is 56 millimeter. We have to first convert millimeter into centimeter. First we have convert millimeter into centimeter. See here, millimeter into centimeter. Millimeter is the small quantity than centimeter. So I have to take division. So the small quantity is converted into big quantity. Then we have to take divided. See here, 56 millimeters is equals to how many centimeters? We can write here 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Remember it. See now 56 is divided by 10 centimeters. So you can write 5.6. Any number is divided by 10, the point move to the left side one place. So 5.6 centimeter. Again, centimeter is converted into meter. See here, 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. See, 5.6 centimeter is equals to how many meters? Here, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So, centimeter is converted to meter means small to big. Centimeter is small quantity than meter. So, here we have to take division. That is equals to 5.6 by 100. See here, where is point 5 after? This point is moved to left side 2 places. But here, point before only 1 digit is given. Then 5 before you can write 0. Listen carefully everybody. Here you can write 0, 5.6 by 100 meters. Means this is the point where it is located 5 after. This point is moved towards to left side 2 places. Means you can write this point here, located here. Means point 056. Point before there is no number means internally it had 0. So the answer is 0.056 meters. Now next one is convert 820 kilometers into meters. This is very easy. Kilometer is converted to meter means the given number is multiplied by 1000 because the big quantity, the larger quantity is converted to smaller quantity, so I have to take into multiplication. Now here solution 820 kilometer. Kilometer is converted into meters. See here, 820 kilometer, that is equals to 820 into 1000 meters. See here, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Now what we get? So any number is multiplied by 1000, you can write 3 places after the given number. So 820 after you can write 3 zeros, then you can reach 8,20,000 meters. Next, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ దాని మీద ఉంటుంది. See here, next one. A bag of wheat weighs 15 kg, kilograms, convert into grams. See solution. Kg is converted into grams. See, 15 kg, that is equals to 15 into 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. So 15 is multiplied by 1000. See here, write down 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So what we get? 15,000 grams. Okay, today your class is completed. Thank you.